The Lok Sabha elections is in full swing and senior political leaders are holding back-to-back rallies and roadshows to woo the voters. The enforcement agencies have made a record seizure of over 4,650 crore rupees before the first phase of polling for the 18th Lok Sabha elections commences on Friday. Ministry of Home Affairs has termed a social media post related to Indo-Tibetan Border Police's report on Chinese transgression at the line of actual control misleading and malicious. Traditional harvest festivals are being celebrated in various regions of the country for 2 days, beginning today in the form of Vaisakhi, Vishu, Bishu, Bohag Bihu, Poila Boishak, Vaishakhadi and Pudhandu. In IPL cricket, China Super Kings defeated Mumbai Indians by 20 runs at Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai last night.